Woke up too late again. You missed the train and then you cursed the day, but hey, you'll catch another one. And now instead of run, you're chilling in the sun. Just take a breath and look around. Hey, you got no reason to be down. Right, it's okay, yeah. You'll be fine, come rain or shine. Say hey, yeah. I don't need to worry. Hashtag